all, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share my garden journey this year. This year we started with different kinds of flower plants and fruit plants and vegetables. So let's see one by one. So this is a chili plant from the last year. I saved them from the um, grow bags, and it is nicely giving all the chilies right now. This is one of the curry leaf plant that is growing from the seed, so it is growing in a grow bag. And these are the dhania plants, so they are coming nicely. We are also saving some of the small curry leaf plants that were growing from the seed in different parts to share. I want to share how we filled with the garden bed. This is a metal garden bed we purchased from this Lowe's, and it is easy to arrange. So a lot of screws were there, so I was able to fix it by myself. And then I covered at the bottom and side parts of the garden bed because it gives lot of heat, so I just want to protect it, the plants with the heat. So I covered it with all the carton boxes, and then I filled some of them with the old plants, trees, and some of the vegetable peels. All these things I added, and on top of it I added the potting soil. I got it from the raised bed soil, and also we mix the raised bed soil along with the peat moss. By mixing the peat moss, it gives a lot of variation for the soil. So there are some plants we purchased from HEB. These are the chili plants and bell pepper and brinjal. So I planted them in the garden bed, and remaining plants we purchased from Vallemvari farms. So I also planted them in small pots. These are some of the methi plants from the seeds, and also some potato plants. They are growing in the pots. Yeah, this year we also purchased some of the fruit plants that we planted in the backyard. This is the apple plant that already have a fruit, but it got fallen down in the season. And this is a peach. We have another peach plant as well, and the figs. This year we are also trying at the orange plants in bigger pots. These pots are from the Costco. So this is the orange plant. They are coming nicely. Deep jasmine plant, and this is a regular jasmine, samba jasmine, and this is a double. Purchase a small simple trellis from Amazon. It is so easy to arrange all these things. We also purchased different type of Indian varieties of plants like ridge gourd, bitter gourd, beans, and tindora, and all these things. So we planted them separately, and we kept in different sides of the trellis. So the trellis is looking like this one. The bottom part, so at first the plants are looking like this one. After 2 weeks of time, they have grown like this one. This is the bitter gourd, and this is the next one is the bottle gourd. They are looking so fresh. And these are the beans, and this is the ridge gourd. So ridge gourd is growing nicely. So all this tindora and cucumber is also growing in another pots. So this has also net. So this is the grapes plant we purchased, and we planted them in a bigger pot. Dhania, it's coming nicely. And also we planted one of the tomatoes, and it is already giving the tomatoes. So the garden bed is looking like this with all the bell pepper and gongura plants. These are the hibiscus plants from the last year. They are giving nice flowers each day, 5 to 6 hibiscus each day. And this time we purchased the bigger pots from the Home Depot, and we planted the jasmine plants and hibiscus and different type of varieties, and curry leaf plant also we planted in the bigger pots. How we are growing the vegetable plants in the pots. It is so pleasure and happy to watch the growth of the any kind of plants are flowering. Thank you for watching.